we're getting lighting hooked up here now. Change here, so we'll see some action here in a short time. There we go. Pulling off, making it go. We got our probably get a year too high. Take a second and then go over back. Now they're doing it.